Some people have also asked how these plans would extend if you were trying to make an A3 lino press. And using the exact same resources I've already bought, personally I would order double the amount of metal strips. I'd attach them like so, so you have a much longer piece. Then I'd attach my L brackets through this hole, the 5th hole in from one side, the 6th from the other. And as you can see with this A3 painting, it would sit with the bracket roughly centered, and you'd be able to hinge upwards from one side and then have your leverage handle like so. And I believe this would work. You just have to adjust the future steps accordingly to make sure it's spaced apart right. But if you do this, I'd love to hear how you get on and how it comes out.